Wow, the city is so beautiful. Let me take a video here. Hi everybody, my name is Jenny. I'm 22 years old and I'm from the USA. I came here to Kazakhstan to teach you English for 3 months in my vlogs. Are you ready to learn English with me? Let's start. Tell me about yourself. What is your name? How old are you? Where are you from? And why do you want to learn English? Nice to meet you. Now let's go. Okay, let's see. I need the bus number 10 to go home. Oh, here it is.
Sizde bir ders var?
Sorry, I don't speak Kazakh. Do you speak English?
A little bit. Do you need help?
Yes. I don't know how to pay here.
Oh, no problem. I can do it.
Oh, thank you so much. Rahmet.
You're welcome. Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
The USA?
It's the United States of America.
Ah, I see. My name is Renat. What's your name?
My name is Jenny.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I'm 22. What about you?
I'm 21.
Oh, interesting.
Is it your one time in Kazakhstan?
Yes, it is my first time in Kazakhstan.
Oh, you can call me or text me if you need help.
Oh, that would be nice. What's your phone number?
It's +7 7 1 1 2 3 34 48.
Okay, thank you. Now I need to go. Nice to meet you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Wow, this place is really cute. Oh my